You writing about your emotions on the book is as if you can use the whole book to write a lot about him. Excuse me, which shows you have a broken ties with him over the years. And of course, how deep is this personal history? How deep is this?
It's difficult for me to talk about our relationship. Raymond was a brother, a dependable friend. We were family. Only God can explain what has happened, and we trust Him. I have no doubt that He is resting in God's bosom now. We lost a good man. We lost a good man. A dependable patriot. A passionate, spirit-driven man. Focused. Whatever he's convinced about, he pursues with all his might. It's sad to talk about him, but his kind, very difficult to find. May God bless his soul. But the country has lost a treasurable asset.